No, it was loud and noisy and rude and obnoxious and didn't listen to the security. They've upgraded our room, so we're packing and going to a new room.
Hi!
Welcome to Four Seasons Resort Dubai at Jumeirah Beach.
Hi, and welcome to my crib. Do people even watch that still? Anyway, this is the premium Seaview room, and this is the bathroom. And then this is the bedroom.
Nice.
The beds are super comfortable, and it's really nice because actually what you can do is you can use the app on your iPad, tablet, whatever, and then you can make a request and you can actually change your pillow.
But also it's super cool because it keeps track of it on your app.
Yeah, so that's really nice.
Ours is always registered too.
And also, the snack cupboard is solid.
Snacks.
I think it's actually just the packaging that gets me. I mean, like, Snickers bars never look that nice. But now they suddenly do. So that's pretty cool.
And I always do cool things like this, which is, keep this for me, I can't focus, in the light. A relief pack, and what's in it?
So there's like sanitary things, some tampons, plasters, pain medication. I actually didn't know what it was earlier and then.
Why didn't you read condom?
Oh, there's condoms. All the essentials.
You read everything else except that.
And then...
Cool little sitting area over here, which is nice. Their welcomes are always the best. Look at what the team put together for us today.
It's so cute.
It's like what are these actually?
That's dates. We can go there.
No, but
that's
these
and those are date balls. I'm not sure. Yeah, but that's so cute.
And we usually take these home and then keep them in our...
Yeah, we have like a book of all the cards, hotel key cards.
Hey, this is the microphones.
Yeah.
Don't need that. This is...
Just like how to navigate the area. You know, like usually it's on that crusty black book. The flip file thing. This is really nice. Beautiful.
Nice. And then the best part of this room
is the view.
This view. Oh, too bright. Premium sea view, and that's why you get to see the whole Gulf. I think it's called the Gulf. Oof. Look at that.
So nice.
That's where we shall take a picture later.
But this evening we are going to do dinner at one of their restaurants, which is more of a seafood based restaurant, and it's kind of like the main place for sunset. So we're going to go get done quickly and go get ready for sunset dinner. Quick little dinner outfit check.
Okay, currently at the menu's gone. Seafu, enjoying the sunset over there and having cocktails. Mine is a whiskey based.
Whiskey based. Mine is sake based.
What?
I'm moving my eyes, but I forgot I'm wearing sunglasses. So this is like our first dinner. There's like a few different restaurants on the property. And this one is a bit more, this one's Asian inspired, so it's a lot of sushi and like dim sum and sashimi, that kind of vibe. And then the other one is French, which I think we're going to do for lunch tomorrow. And then there's like a rooftop, kind of more of a party vibe.
This one's like sit and enjoy sundowners.
Sunset. Yeah. Okay, but have you ever had Wagyu sushi with truffles on it? Never have I ever. No, I don't want to try it yet. You have to try it first.
Oh, okay. No. Wait, tell us what else is.
And then this is a volcano roll, but it's more like crab-based, tempura prawn, and spicy tuna.
I think the Wagyu's on top over here.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, Wagyu's on top over there. ASMR.
Birdies.
They don't really taste the Wagyu because there's so many greens in the bottom. But then it comes through. Not bad. I don't know.
Wagyu and chocolate, and you're like,
I know, it's not like... Okay, but then the taste lingers afterwards, which is nice.
ooh, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my, yum.
She's too focused. Okay, plot twist. We had a noisy neighbor last night.
Not a noisy neighbor, a loud neighbor.
No, it was loud and noisy and rude and obnoxious and didn't listen to the security. They've upgraded our room, so we're packing and going to a new room. Okay, these just need to go on here, then let's go.
Hello and welcome to our suite again. This
Junior
is the junior
suite?
suite. Ooh, I don't want to.
I think it's like a different category because it's got a bigger like lounge area. It's got 2 balconies. Let's show you this first balcony.
This is still staying within the ocean view category because you can do city view or building view. But yeah, so it would kind of look. That's a really nice restaurant.
Well,
down
I'm
there,
sure
by
on
the
the
way.
other side it would also be beautiful because you get all the views of the Burj Khalifa and the whole city at night. One of our favorite things is always the details of Four Seasons magazines that they go all out with. Super nice. Look at those details. Why would you just leave your remote laying somewhere when you can have it in a little container like that?
It's not a container. It's called a pouch.
The
Container is
furniture, the light fixtures. Oh, this is one of my favorite things always. A Bluetooth speaker. This is a nice Bose one. We love a Bluetooth speaker. Mini bar. Oh, mini bar. Let's see. Oh,
It's
look
pretty
at those
much-
details. Super nice.
It's pretty much almost the same actually. There's just obviously more in here because it's a bigger room.
And a few more like elite alcohol options. Hennessy, Grey Goose. Guest bathroom over here with a shower and a toilet. Look at the room. Super nice and
It's
spacious.
super spacious.
Super spacious.
I think
And your
that's
own
why I loved
balcony.
the other one more because it was a little bit more compact. So it felt nice for like a short trip. But this would be really nice if you were staying for a longer period of time.
That's cool. I like those little side, what do you call those, lamps? Everything's also like, just look how seamless it is. Nothing like, no cables around. Always nice art. Cool little art for the, what do you call it?
That's a walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet.
The bathroom design, everything's pretty much the same. It's just on a bigger scale, basically.
And we love the robes. What do you call them?
robes.
Gowns,
You like
robes.
asking everything. What do you call them? You know these things.
Bro. Anyway, that's that. Michka said she likes the premium one.
Yeah, the premium one is my favorite.
And they always put fresh fruit every day. Oh, so nice. Okay. Till next time.
Hi.
Welcome to one of the cabanas at the Four Seasons.
There's
It's
like 2 different pools, but so this is more of like the family pool, but then you get these cabanas which are amazing. You can go inside. There's lots of fresh fruit and vegetables, and then you can connect your phone to the TV. You can watch a movie if you like.
nice.
Yeah, it's honestly incredible.
A whole bunch of nice fresh fruit and veggies.
And then you get like your own
And
deck.
hold on.
Oh.
In the snake little fridge, it's kitted out with a whole bunch of things in there and waters and sunscreen.
Everything you need for a perfect pool day. Oh, and this is like your own private deck, which is so close to the pool. And then you can chill out here. You can go swim over there. You can also walk down to the beach.
This is a family pool, which is really probably super busy in summer.
Yeah.
And then on that side, there's
It's
an
like
adults
a
only pool.
quiet pool.
Adults only.
Oh, but it's also the quiet pool, so you must.
Oh, you do have to be. There is a little sign that says "Be quiet." Well, no phones, as it goes. And there's a few little cabanas next to you. Cool.
Post massage birthday surprise.
What? How's this picture, man?
Is it Dubai Bridge?
Frame.
Dubai frame, sorry. I said bridge. That's my favorite kind of cheesecake vibe.
The level of excellence at Four Seasons. They even, what do you call it? They use like a machine to rake the sand so that when you get to the beach, it's like pristine. Look.
It feels so bad.
And now look at her. Oh no. With her shoes. Lovely. Okay, currently at the brunch. Is it called Jojo? Juju. Jojo. Juju. Oh, it's French. French, and it looks really good. I mean, before this actually looked better with all the sushi. Anyway.
So we just had brunch, but here's the thing, everyone always thinks that AD is Arabic, but also when we're in America, everyone thinks that he's Mexican. So is he Arabic Mexican?
Arabian Mexican.
Arabian. I don't know. Please confirm or deny. Does he
I
look
remember
Arabic
in Morocco
or
everybody
Mexican?
spoke
Arabic
to me.
But then when you go to America, everyone speaks Spanish to you. So anyway, please confirm or deny. We just finished brunch now. It was really good. I don't usually like the whole buffet style, but there was like a mix of seafood, of grills, of everything.
But also everybody always told us about like
Dubai
brunch, and I think now we know why.
Yeah, it's actually quite intense, but it's really good. I mean, it's really nice in a nice way if you go to a good place, I suppose. Yeah, but we need to go to Sephora because I need
But
hair
this
oil.
was was really cool.
It was really good.
It was really good. Seafood, desserts, drinks.
And yeah, the one
grill,
we done
meat.
like included like a bottle of champagne, and then you can do like teas and coffees, and yeah, it's pretty good in a nutshell.
And it's a cool setting. And it's sunset, and the beach is down there somewhere.
Also,
Like,
we need to go to Sephora, so that's the transition point.
Go again.
We need to go to Sephora. Welcome to Sephora.